My name is Eric. I'm a stakeholder, Matatu Owners Association Chairman KISII. Now our coach is actually letting us down. The management has really invested in players, but the coach is actually the one who is letting us down. So we are calling the management. Our second match, we will not want to lose in Gusii Stadium. This must be taken by the management, vile tumeisema. We call a spade a spade. If the coach will not win the second match, we will force the management to sack him. This is an ultimatum. Umeona vile watu wametoka. Our supporters have gone heads down. Yeah? You know, Sofapaka was a team that is so down in the league. Now it's up. We are second last. And the management has really invested. The supporters we have really invested. We can't accept this. We will not accept this at all. We lost against Mara. Mara is a team from the NSL. How do you lose to a team from the NSL? Now we are losing to a last tier team. How can that happen? We are not happy. As supporters, we are not happy, and we are giving the coach his last chance. The management, Ijue, this is our last. They have a last chance to accept another loss in Gusii Stadium. We will not accept.
My name is Otieno. I'm a fan, Shabana fan, and this is what I have to say as a fan. I pray that we give coaches some humble time, because on the side of Sofapaka, this is their 5th game, first win. So let us not conclude matters. Let us give the coach humble time. Let us respect him, and let us work with the management and the system that Shabana is running on. We should not, as fans, give one person pressure because of 4 games, 0 wins. We should be humble, and we should have patience. Thank you very much.
Majina naitwa Obed, mimi fan wa Shabana. Mimi kitu naweza sema huyu coach acha azidi sana. Kwa sababu unaweza chezaje game 4, hauna hata first 11. Hauna pattern unacheza, una train nini sasa? Kama unaweza anza ball humalizi, no shot on target. Unataka tukubembeleze, una train nini? Uko chacha aende. Mimi siongei chochote, aenda akisonga.